Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Monday, March 19th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So natural gas, if you've been following along in my nightly videos, I said I was expecting a lower high on the weekly to form with the daily RSI at the levels they were at as the weekly ran up. And if you look at the daily RSIs, you can see that the daily RSI was getting back towards that top area. I did expect it to run a little bit higher, but anyways, the signal was there that we're reversing. Let me go back to the weekly. With this, now we have an equilibrium pattern in play. We have a low, we have a high on the weekly, and oops. And we have a low, a high, a higher low, and now we have a lower high. And so we'll see if we tighten here. Bears want to see a break, obviously, of this equilibrium pattern by breaking below 2.565, and a bull break would be above 2.811 to play here, based on this weekly Natgas pattern. Looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, we need to be aware that we had an inside candle here, high and low, broke bearish on it today on increasing bear volume. So look for continuation tomorrow with a break of the low of today of 2.64. Looking at the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, it's just been pull back here to consolidation, pull back, consolidation, pull back, consolidation, pull back. So the 4-hour here is currently forming lower highs and lower lows. And so for the bulls, they need to get above 2.71. For the bears, they want to break the low here of 2.64 for this pattern to continue. So that the 4-hour chart is also something to watch tomorrow as the weekly plays out. Same thing on the hourly. You can clearly see lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower highs, and lower lows forming here. So we need to break that pattern for the bulls on any bounce play. Tomorrow they need to break above 2.71. Bears for continuation, look for a break of 2.64. Daily, anything else? Also on the weekly, another signal for me was, I said off the bottom here, if you followed along, that we've been forming higher lows on every consecutive weekly candle and higher highs. Last week we broke to a lower low, and that was a signal that the bears may be taking back control on the weekly. And so to look for a break of last week's low of 2.664. So that's where we're at right now. We are breaking that low. And so the weekly, I believe, is back in the pattern of in the control of the bears here, with it setting up a lower high here. And so looking for some further continuation again on those support breaks, the low of today. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.